Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗶𝗲𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. On the daily chart, crude oil has breached the trendline support and have closed below the 20 exponential moving average at 6466, implying bearish bias for the pair. Prices have failed to sustain above the resistance of the multiple highs around the level of 6650, making it a crucial resistance to breach. The momentum indicator RSI has a negative crossover to support the bearish move as it moves out of the overbought zone. The support for the prices should be around the level of 6350, while the reversal for the bearish move should be above the level of 6580. Thus, a selling strategy could be used for the session ahead. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.